Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Now cut it, Casey.
Yes. You want a piece of cake now?
Oh my gosh. It's like you celebrating the birthday right now.
That's a nice cake.
That's a big cake.
Yes, it is.
Big one.
It is the nice real senior.
Yeah. It's harmonized and
Oh, sorry.
Here you go, baby. You wanna cut yours? How big you want? That big, okay. Which one? This one or
Where? You missed
in the
happy
middle?
birthday.
Oh. That big? Here, you cut it. How big you want it? Never mind, this one. This one
That one good?
is too much, no? Too small?
No, that's enough.
You can get another piece.
How are you gonna get that out, Casey?
I know, I was like, Casey.
It's a chocolate. Where's the fork? I started wishing it. Yeah.
Is it blue on the inside?
No, green. It's pandan.
Oh,
Oh,
Yes.
it's like a
It's a tree nut.
a fruit cake. It's like a fruit cake.
You want some fruit?
Asian flavoring. It's like a peanut.
Huh?
But it's very mild flavor. It's
You
very
want
good.
strawberry?
It's one of